Famous for its many Asoka trees and various historical relics become the main attraction for this place. This park is located in a small village outside the Ponorogo downtown. There is also one big tree at the center of the park and it becomes the icon of the park itself. Curious about this place? Hi, my name is Luki Aditama and this is my partner
Muhammad Nabil Sabri Alfat.
and we are here to bring Sukasewu Park for you all. Let's check it out. Sukasewu Park is a park where you can find a numerous of Asoka trees. Not only Asoka trees, but also some of heritage that are still keep well. This park is about 2,500 meters square, and it was built in 1825 until 1830. Then, in this park, does not have a special janitor, but all of the people who live near at this area work together to do the community service to clean this park every week. Around the park, there is also a relic in the form of Lingayoni, an ancient machine tool made of stone. This relic is further enriches the historical value of the Sukasewu Park.
It used to be Prince Diponegoro's shelter during his war against the Dutch colonialism. There were thousands of Asoka trees, so he named this park was Sukasewu. The name is still used until nowadays. There are also ancient statues scattered around the park area. In addition to all the historical relics, here also provided several rides such as children camp, pavilion that quite large, mosque, toilet, and a series of stalls and gazebos that are ready to support your recreational experience here. So that's the recap of Sukasewu Park. If you love quiet place to visit and enjoy your moment, whether with your family or your partner, then Sukasewu Park will be on your list.